My mom went on vacation, and while she was away, I did something I've always wanted to do. She just moved into a new house after my dad passed away, and I wanted her bedroom to feel like home again, warm, layered, and a little bit French inspired. So I surprised her with a room makeover. The room has beautiful lighting, but it really feels blank. So my goal is to soften it with a blue that's calm, but not cold, and add classic picture frame molding for structure, and layer in lots and lots of patterns and textures so the room feels collected and cozy. The kind of space that my mom would settle into with a book and a cup of tea. I taped up several swatches, and I didn't have a lot of time to watch them in the day and the night because she's coming back in 7 days, so I went with my gut. I picked a soft blue called Santorini Blue by Benjamin Moore, and I think this is just a nice mature blue with really soft gray undertones. I'm not buying a lot of new things for this room. Really, the only thing I'm buying is new curtains because I just feel like these dark brown ones with the grommets aren't really stylish. This is a really big room, but I want to paint it as fast as I can, so I taped off the ceiling because we're not touching the popcorn up there and took off all the plate covers. And of course, before you paint a room, make sure you patch all the holes. I love painting the baseboards the same color as the walls, just making sure that you use a trim paint. So I'm using Benjamin Moore Advanced, which I feel is the most durable for trim paint, and I like to use a pearl finish. Then I went in and cut in most of my edges, and I think that's just a little bit faster to do the cutting in first and then to roll on, because then you can roll your paint really fast. I've done quite a few of these picture frame molding walls, and my best advice is to actually take a piece of paper and draw out how you want the panels to look. I also love to tape up the size of the boxes so I can get a visual of how big they're gonna be. Okay, my mom's coming back in 4 days, and I really need to get a move on this, so my goal is to really try and finish up all the picture frame molding today. I always use a pin nailer, and I've got my spacer as well. That just makes sure that all the spaces between the boxes is the same. The picture frame molding is looking so good. I'm using the exact same paint that I used on the wall and just making sure to feather those edges so you can't see all the brush marks. Isn't that stunning? Just wait till we have the room put together. Now, the cool thing about my mom moving into a new house is that I can mix up the furniture because she hasn't actually really decided where everything goes. And then I'm gonna have a little gallery wall in this corner as well. And I love to use wrapping paper as a way to help you visually plan your artwork. So most of this artwork is just like thrifted frames I got from Value Village, and then artwork that I've printed off for free off of the public domain. Are you ready to see the reveal of this room? Remember, this is what it looked like when I first started out.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Oh, wow. Pretty.
And finally, the reveal. I wanted this room to feel like a warm hug with blue walls and the crisp molding and layered bedding. Most of all, I wanted it to feel like her, the kind of room that she can remember and still move forward in.